This is your feed and stock report for Tuesday, March 10th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In Central Alberta Monday, steers 900 plus 465 to 472, 8 to 900 475 to 519, 7 to 800 534 to 580, 6 to 700 602 to 632, 5 to 600 675 to 737, 4 to 500 755 to 880, 3 to 400 875 to $9. Heifers 900 plus 419 to 420, 8 to 900 440 to 480, 7 to 800 490 to 507, 6 to 700 530 to 542, 5 to 600 575 to 629, 4 to 500 685 to 715. Alberta direct cattle sales Monday saw no new trade report. This week's list has been compiled with volumes smaller than the previous week. Year-to-date, Western Canadian fed beef production is slightly higher than last year, yet fed cattle prices on average are 14% higher than last year. More beef is being produced at higher prices, which is a positive story for the industry. Last week, Alberta fed prices were at an $8 discount against Alberta Market, the strongest basis level seen this year. With stronger basis levels, this could moderate U.S. packer demand for Canadian-fed cattle. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1 to 2 cows 240 to 252, D3 cows 218 to 235. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought 255 to 270. In the U.S., there is no new trade report. Significant trade will likely be delayed until the second half of this week. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start out in the mid-240s on a live basis. Show-less volumes are smaller in the north and larger in the southern feeding states. Reduced slaughter volumes have supported the beef complex. It is important to highlight strength behind the cutout has not been demand-driven, but more supply-driven. With labor issues at the Greeley, Colorado plant, it is expected they will not be active on the cash market this week. National Bona cows averaged $316.84 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 73.76, up 10 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, in mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. April 231.92, up 177. June 229.27, up 185. August 227.30, up 172. This is Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.